Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is Project Stang. Well, in the last video, I got the oil changed on it. Unfortunately, found antifreeze in the oil, and radiator was down about the same amount of antifreeze as the radiator was, and the reservoir was down. So this is the day I'm going to go ahead and fire it up, get it out of its winter hibernation. Because I'm not sure when she wants to put it on the road. Difficult part is we have the Escape and we have the Explorer on during the winter time, and unfortunately, like most of us, we can't afford to have all four vehicles on the road. So alright, let's get this baby started up. Hasn't been fired up in last 5 months, I think. When did we take it off? November? I took it off in November. My video on putting him into hibernation. Hardest part is putting them in a place that they're not going to rust, and trying to keep the mice population down. Now I'm going to crank it over a couple times. Let me pull I need to pull the coil. Pull the coil plug so I can run it through a couple of times. Technically, you should spray oil into the cylinder heads on motors that you don't run for a long period of time, but you know, let's see what happens. Because she was driving this and lost the lower ball joint. So the previous video on that evolution, she was coming back from Walmart and turned the corner and the ball joint let go. Thank God. The only thing that happened was because she was at a stoplight, and she was just taking off and turned. Thank God she wasn't going at highway speed when that thing came off, or let go. The swing arm dropped down on the rim, and it shaved a little bit off the inside, but thank God that's all it was, and we got it up on a flatbed and got it home. So here we go. Let's crank her through. Well, I guess we're not going to crank it through. Ah! Shoot! I charged that battery. We ain't got a battery that's going bad here. Try it again. I put the jumper box on it. I got a bad. The starter isn't. Okay. Starting to rain. Okay, let's see if that's enough to get it to run. Okay, yep. It's enough to crank it over. I was hoping I was going to have more than that for the start. Need to get oil. Need to see oil pressure. Okay. A couple more times here. Okay, that's probably enough. Yeah, let's plug in the coil. So I got all new clean oil, which is a good thing. Okay, here we go. Let's okay, let's go. Okay, oil pressure right away. Okay, I should got enough. Got some oil up in the valve heads. Usually do it about 3 times. You can see oil pressure goes right up. That means I got oil pressure in the pump. Run about 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, we got oil getting around there. So now just start it up and leave it running now till we get till the motor comes up to engine temperature. Main thing, I just want to get the oil up so it starts getting around. Give it a couple seconds. This is all theory. This is just the way I do it. Some people may just start it up and let it run, but all the oil is drained out of drained into the pan out of the rest of the motor. You're going to have that when it sits for 3 or 4 months. It's probably a good idea to run it, at least once a month. It's probably a good thing, but time goes on, they sit up. You're just not going to get it to do it. So, yeah, here we go. It also gives the animals a chance to get out of your mufflers, so they don't get burned up. All right, a little bit of squeakage on the belt. All indications look good in here. Got no lights on except ABS. Temp's coming up. Got fuel. Alternators charging, and so is the oil pressure and steady tack. So we'll let her run now until it gets up to full engine temperature. We'll check the oil level in it. I don't know. It's going to have to monitor. A little bit of belt squeakage in it. You get a little bit of belt lube. That noise might go away. I got some, huh? Oh no, she's got a leaking head gasket. Not awfully smooth. And This will be the second winter that I took it off the road. And normally I change the oil before I start them up for the summer, but I didn't notice any antifreeze in the oil last year. Yeah, here we go. We're warmed up now. In there. Alright. Sweet. Mustang. Up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Run the heating system through. Back it. Okay. Not smelling any mouse in here, but there is signs that there was one in here. At least it doesn't smell. A lot of times it'll get right in your vent. Good pickup. Inches up. Rolls up. And there we go. Shut her down. Let's see if it'll start. Great. Oh man. Oh, great. Bad battery. Bad cell because it's leaking. Well, we're not putting it on the road today. When is that? Okay. Well, what are you gonna do? Choice is to get another battery. As you can see around the outside, it's leaking. So, have a start. I don't know. Oh, it's smelling bad too. Great. Okay. It takes care of that. She's warmed up for the spring and summer. So, no, guess we're gonna get a new battery. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we will catch you on the next Project Stang. And of course the battery's bad, so, but it does say 116. So I believe this is at least, it's a max. So I think it's got at least a 5-year warranty on this thing. So we're only 3 years into it. So it's still got two-year credit on it. So we'll have to find out.